Welcome back to the channel, guys. Tonight we're cooking up some of these chicken thighs we got from Trader Joe's. Check it out. Here we go. Let these guys sit out for a second, get this grill heated up, ready to roll. Close her up. We're trying to hit 450 right now. That's the goal. Alright, so we're going to come back, get this grill cleaned up, ready to roll for that chicken. Make sure we're at 450, and we're good to go right now, guys. Now let's go grab that chicken, get it ready to go here on the grill. Check it out. We're going to get this stuff started. It's really some of my favorite chicken that you can buy at Trader Joe's, so I highly recommend it. And if you don't mind, do me a favor, go subscribe to the channel. It means a lot to me, guys. Okay, so we got the chicken on the grill. Unfortunately, guys and gals, today I do not have any tongs. We're going to be using a spatula. Please don't make fun of me, but if you're going to do it in the comment section. Now let's get back to this chicken. So I'm going to get this stuff flipped. I like to move my chicken around quite a bit as I'm cooking it, only because I don't want it to stick to the grill. Anyone out there that has advice or tips on, not getting your chicken stuck on the grill aside from just moving it around quite a bit like I do, again, leave me a comment. I'd appreciate that. I'm still learning. Don't make fun of me. Like I said, I like to move the chicken around quite a bit. I don't want it to stick on the grill. It is what it is. If you got better advice, drop a comment for me. I'd really appreciate that. Now we call this dish here at my home, we call this chicken peri peri because we also are going to be using a super fire peri peri sauce. It's like a hot sauce from Trader Joe's. It's really good, so you'll see it here later in the video. Make sure you stick around, guys. I'm really trying to build up my watch hours. It's super important to me, hoping to get this channel monetized. We finally hit 1,000 subs, so we have that checked off. But again, my next big goal right now is to get the watch hours up to 4,000. That's where I need to be to get monetized. So all of you guys that have been subbing, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. I'm going to try and make more long form videos like this so that we can get those watch hours up. And if you're watching right now, again, make sure you watch all the way to the end. I'd really appreciate it. God bless you. Let's get back to the video. And guys, wait till you see the final results. This is crazy stuff. It's one of my favorite meals that we cook every week. Literally every week we have this on the menu. So remember, chicken peri peri, Trader Joe's. That's where you can get the chicken. That's where you can get the sauce. So then we use a little bit of white rice. But again, stick around to the end. You're going to see the final results and be super stoked. Appreciate you guys. All right, now I'm just kind of probing this chicken. You guys can tell it's getting pretty close to done. I usually like to take my chicken over 165, like 170, between 170 and 180. I don't know if that's crazy to you, but to me, it's what I like the best. So, yeah, if you cook your stuff under 165, let me know. I know a lot of people do that. I'd like to hear it in the comment section. But yeah, let's get back to the video. Now you're going to see me close the grill and then reopen it. Not sure really why I did that. Anyways, time to get this stuff off. This chicken's going to be so good. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. I got a few pieces resting at the top. You can see those 3 at the top. Those are our little taster pieces. I was afraid I was going to lose them in the grill. I actually lost quite a bit of chicken on this little run. But check this stuff out, guys. Beautiful, golden, crispy, fire. Let's go. Now let's get the crispies, or I should say the tasties. Yes, sir. Here we go. Don't lose that. Come on, guy. And then we're out of here, guys. We're going to take this chicken back in. Ashley's chilling on the couch. You can't see her, but she's chilling, laid back. House is a little messy. It's all good. Check out this chicken. Lighting's not the best in my house, but I'm promising you, this stuff smells so good. And then I realized I don't have any tinfoil left over, so I used 2 plates to keep the stuff warm. Here's the secret sauce, baby. Peri Peri sauce from Trader Joe's. Fire. So good. Yeah, we'll pour these into 2 separate containers. One's for me, one's for Ashley. Ashley's actually the one doing it. Those are not my nails right now, I promise you that. But Ashley's taking care of us. I'm going to be busting out this cutting board in a second. There we go. I actually built this cutting board. If you want one, let me know in the comment section. I build them, sell them, all that. And then, of course, boom, one more time. Look at the chicken. Fire. Get this stuff on the cutting board. Spent a lot of time building this thing, too. Get all them chicken juices on there. You know what I'm talking about. Look at that. And then now we just need to get the chicken chopped up. So we're going to get this stuff chopped up. Ready to roll. Ashley's dialing in the white rice. You can't see her right now, but she's working hard. If there's a knife sponsor out there, please hit me up at askjeffhuddy@gmail.com. You can find it in my bio. I need new knives so bad, but they are not cheap. And guys, if you've made it this far, thank you so much. Like I said, I'm trying to get those watch time hours up. It's a huge, huge, huge goal of mine. So when you do stay to the end of my video, you watch the whole thing, you know, and you're hitting that like button, it helps my page more than you know. It's a blessing to me. So I know for you, it may not seem like a big deal, but for me, it makes my day. Once again, thank you, everybody. We're going to get finished chopping up this chicken. And then after that, we're going to plate everything up for you guys, show you the final results. Like I said, if you sticked around this long, thank you. And I promise you, these results will not disappoint you. Let's go back to this video. There you go.
That's beautiful.
Perfect. But,